Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a really simple pina colada mocktail recipe. You're only going to need 3 ingredients, which is some pina colada mix, some crushed ice, and some fresh chopped pineapples. All of the ingredients and also a link to the type of pina colada mix that I'm going to be using today are in the description box below. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 1 cup of crushed ice to my Ninja. I'm also going to go ahead and add 1 cup of pina colada mix as well.
Looks like lemonade.
Next thing that I'm going to do is add about 8 chopped pieces of sweet pineapple. It just so happened that these ones were sweet from the grocery store, which is awesome because you don't always get that in Canada. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it, and I have my niece Anaya here helping me. And once that's added, I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on. And put it on to mix. So at this point, my pina colada is finished. I love mixing it till there's not really any chunks left because I prefer my pina colada without any of those chunks of pineapple or ice. I'm going to go ahead and pour it. I'm also going to go ahead and just garnish my pina colada with this cute little tropical umbrella and also a fresh piece of pineapple. And there you have it. Now the next drink I'm going to make is a virgin margarita. I went ahead and added 1 cup of margarita mix. I'm also going to add 1 cup of crushed ice. And just a half a teaspoon of white sugar. Alright.